Protecting your WordPress site from spammers is critical to maintaining a secure and trustworthy platform. Spammers can clutter your site with fake registration, irrelevant content, and even pose security threats. But don't worry, with these few simple steps, you can keep your WordPress site spam-free and running smoothly. Let's dive in. First, change the register slug to something unique. Many spammers use automated bots to target the default registration page of WordPress and BuddyPress sites. By renaming it to something like Create Your Account or Join Now, you can throw off this bot at the very first step. To make this change easily, consider using plugin like WPS Hide Login. It's simple and effective. Next, install and activate a security plugin such as WordFence or Solid Security. These plugins provide robust spam protection, including firewall settings, malware scanning, and tools to block suspicious activity. They are essential for preventing spam and safeguarding your site against other vulnerabilities. Another crucial step is change your admin username. Using admin as your default username make it an easy target for hackers. Instead, create a unique username with at least 10 characters, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. This makes sure it's something you can remember. If your WordPress site uses a membership system, ensure that membership plugin you are using includes security tools like reCAPTCHA or the ability to limit login attempts. These tools help block automated bots and prevent brute force attacks, ensuring only legitimate users can access your platform. Why are these measures so important? Because spam-free site just doesn't look better. It runs better. It ensures a seamless experience for real users, improves site performance, and protect your platform's credibility. After all, a secure site will trust and keep your audience coming back.